Good afternoon, guys. Today I am going to teach you. Okay, I have already opened quotations like a block quotes, abbreviations. If you type WHA, if you override WHA, it will show World Health Organizations. Okay, case shift one exclamatory enter. Okay, will teach you block quotes first. Block quote. Okay. Write something here. I love my India. I should be capital. Okay. Okay, guys. See the output first. See, this is what, guys. Here some space is coming. This is what block quotes. This is for one more. If here something hello world. See, hello world will print like this. I love my India. Block quotes inside block quotes text. This is okay. Okay. Go to the next one. Only quotes. P. Okay, inside Q. This is quotation. Okay. I will write something. This is quotation. Okay. See here, inverted commas, double inverted. Okay. We'll see. This is normal text. Okay. See, this is normal text and this is quotation inside. Next one is abbreviation. You guys already know abbreviation. Okay, abbreviation text like a title you have to give. We'll take World Health Organization. Here you have to give WHO. Okay, I will show you something. Okay, go. If you over here W Health Organization, it will come. This is what, guys, abbreviation tag with function. Okay, one more quotations tag like a address something bad address Bangalore could locate opposite Dayanand Sagar University, Chikkabegur Road. Okay, 56610. Okay, random I put. Okay, like this address. If you want to break this, okay, put one BR tag. BR, BR. You have to write inside address tag. Okay, see, okay, okay. Then one more is site. One more site tag is there for that is for book titles, mm, something book titles and names, cinema names, like that. Okay, I have one screen. Okay, this is inside site. I will write okay one p tag inside it and by Edward Munch. Created in 1893. See, name of the author, name something. Okay, they will write inside site tag. Okay, understood, right? Okay, guys, this is what quotation and citation tags. Okay, hope you guys are learning, enjoying these videos. Take care, bye bye. See you in the next video.